Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. I'm so excited to be sharing my very first cleaning video with you in 2020. I know so many of us are looking forward to getting our homes in order this year. It's at the top of my New Year's resolution list, as well as many others, I'm sure. So you can expect to be seeing a lot of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering content on my channel this year. And as you just saw, my room was in desperate need of it. We were traveling for the holidays and things just did not get done. And this bomb is the result of many days of just letting things slide. But it's a new year. We need to get things in order. So I'm going to get started by getting all of my clothes put away. Half of these were clean, half of these were dirty. So I'm going to go through and get all those sorted first. This was the North Pole wrapping station. So I'm just getting all of that wrapping paper scraps and leftovers cleaned up and put away before I go ahead and just start decluttering my room and getting everything where it belongs.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start.
I love that I have my little helper here, Jake. I love when he offers to help me do things around the house. I just think it is setting such a good example in teaching him responsibility. But I had recently washed my sheets, so I wasn't going to wash them again. But I did have to do something really sad, and that is putting away my Christmas duvet cover. Honestly, this was probably my favorite decorating hack that I've ever done, is to get that duvet cover. It just added so much Christmas cheer to my room. I just look forward to going into my room every night and going to bed and relaxing. And since it was just a duvet cover and not a comforter, it was pretty inexpensive and easy to store away. Now, if you are new here, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I post 2 brand new videos every single week on Tuesdays and Fridays. Like I mentioned, I love doing cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. And then I also do all sorts of motherhood and other lifestyle types of videos. And then on Fridays, I post either a new recipe or a meal prep or freezer cooking video. So make sure you stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe before you leave. I did notice that my wallflower plug-in was almost empty, so I'm just refilling that before I bring down all the laundry, the trash, and everything that needs to be put away. Now I'm going to get started in my son's room, and like the title of this video says, this is a clean and disinfect. My son has been sick off and on for like over a month, so I really wanted to just get in there with some antibacterial spray and just wipe everything down and try and kill off as many germs as I can. Now, as you can see, my son's room is pretty small, so I love keeping it pretty minimal. It never takes me that long to clean, which is a huge plus, but I'm just going to get in there with my Method Antibac. I love this green bamboo scent, much better than the purple one. So I'm just going to go in there and just wipe down all the surfaces in his room and hopefully kill as many germs as possible.
Still you got me this my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
I had already washed his sheets earlier in the day. He had actually gotten sick on them first thing in the morning, so those needed to get washed ASAP. But I am going to be keeping out these sort of Christmassy type sheets because they're flannel and they'll be cozy for him to use all winter long. And in case you're wondering if this is a Range Rover comforter, you would be correct. Yes, I do think he is the only preschool age kid who has an obsession with Range Rovers. I have no idea where he got it because neither myself or anyone I know owns a Range Rover, but he probably has like 6 or 7 Range Rover toy cars, and we got him this duvet comforter for his birthday. Now, what I'm doing here is just going around with a Lysol wipe and trying to wipe off any points of contact that I might have missed, like light switches and doorknobs, just to kill those germs on those frequently touched surfaces.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked.
Now, if you thought the disaster clean with me portion of this video was done, you are so wrong. As you can see, my master bathroom looked like a bomb went off. Like I mentioned, we were traveling. I hadn't put anything away from my suitcase, and there were also many like beauty type products that I got as gifts that needed to be put away. So that's exactly what you see me doing here. Just going through and putting everything where it belongs before I can actually start cleaning.
Never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw.
I am still loving this glass cleaner that I got at the Dollar Tree. Seriously, this is the best glass cleaner I have ever used. I can't believe it's only $1. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried it.
So I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Shoulda known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed.
I have such a bad habit of throwing my clothes on the floor when I hop in the shower. That is really something that I need to work on now that it's the new year.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky.
Cleaning the toilet is definitely not one of the most glamorous jobs, but again, it's just one of those things that just has to get done.
Lucky, lucky me. Lucky,
So it's the next day, and the last room I need to tackle is my daughter's bedroom. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, but I'm totally wearing my sweatshirt on backwards here. I don't know what I was thinking. I obviously hadn't had enough coffee yet, but I'm going to get started on cleaning and disinfecting her room too. She's definitely not been as sick as Jake, but she has had these little colds here and there. So I'm going to start out by changing her crib sheet. I am going to wash the rest of her bedding after her nap, and then going around her room just like I did in Jake's, just wiping everything down with that Method antibacterial spray and hopefully demolishing any germs that I come in contact with.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Another little shameless plug for myself, I would really appreciate it if you give me a follow over on Instagram. My handle is contemporary_mama. I post almost every single day and I try and stay up to date on my stories, so it's just another really fun way that we can connect.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
So I'm almost done. The last thing that I need to do is just go around and vacuum all the bedrooms. And I'm also going to Lysol down the points of contact in Brooke's room, her doorknobs and light switches and things like that. And then I am going to be done. I try and stay more up to date on the cleaning downstairs, since that's where we have visitors and family come over, visit. Those are the rooms that they see. So that's why I really wanted to focus today and yesterday on getting the bedrooms cleaned, because those just aren't the priority in our day-to-day lives. So they really needed some attention.
Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind.
So I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you found this video motivating and that maybe you cleaned right along with me. I hope that we all are going to have a super happy and healthy 2020. And I can't wait to see you guys in a brand new video on Friday.